Hi everybody, we are in our new car. It is a 2023 4Runner TRD Premium. So basically we're done RVing, we're in the process of selling our RV, and we're going to get rid of the truck, and this is our new vehicle. And so we're actually going to be building out something to sleep in the back with. And so we were planning on doing something pretty intensive with like drawers and it being like a custom fit and stuff, but now we've kind of decided to just level out the back, and we've bought a few things to make the car camping experience more luxurious and more like RVing. So yeah, we're gonna walk you guys through the process of what we're gonna do, and I'm excited to share it with you. So the main thing that we're trying to accomplish with this build is this area right here. It's raised, so we need to raise this part with a platform about 3 inches. And we only want the platform to fit here so we can have the seats up, because what we really don't want to do is delete the back seats, because I feel like we're going to use them way more often than we are camping. So that's really important to us. But this is the setup basically. I fit pretty good. Shane is like over 6 feet tall, so I don't know how well he's going to fit in here. Originally, we were going to have a platform with drawers and a place to put our cooler that we got. And it was going to be about to here, and it just like wasn't enough headspace for Shane. So we've decided to be more simple, and we can just move the cooler and like cooking stuff to the front and then sleep in the back. So yeah, I'm excited to start this build. So I did find a video that basically had the exact layout for the platform that we want, and I will pop up the screenshot of the measurements as well as have the link of the video in the description, because it was like one of the best videos, just super simple and easy. I do think we're going to need to, I did measure just now, and I do think we're going to have it be just slightly shorter, because I want to have the platform in while the seats are up. So we're just going to double check that measurement, but other than that, everything was perfect. That's supposed to be like about 43.5. Wheel well to wheel well. Huh?
Yeah, 43.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, that's right.
Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted it a little bit shorter or not. Or if, I mean, it can go to here.
Well, what I'm thinking is like the wood, the 2x4s obviously just need to be like on this carpet here.
Yeah.
Right? So those need to be...
Those she put as 35 inches long.
Yeah. That's definitely not 35. Like 34, just under 34.
Oh, okay. Well, they probably don't, they probably just need to be like in the middle.
Yeah, but like it should be like 34 3/4 about.
Okay.
But the plywood, right? Like the plywood is bigger than the boards.
Huh.
So the plywood, right? Like the 2x4s only go from here.
Yeah, there were
But
3
the plywood
inches. Yeah.
obviously goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay.
You're right on that line.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
They're good?
Pretty good to me. They go like this?
I don't know yet. I feel like they go that way.
Yeah.
Cool. Now he's got a bunch of wood in.
Good. Flip this over.
Yeah, that way. Wow. That looks pretty good to me. What do you think?
Yeah, looks good. Okay.
Good?
I think so.
Ow. Oh, that's not good.
What?
Your toesies are out of the car. Yeah, see? Look how easy that is.
It's easy.
You have a genius. Think the battery died?
It's possible.
Since we had the trunk open? Tight. Shame.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
Okay. Of the whole car. Okay, I guess we should test the seat up.
The next day.
Good? That went in a little much better.
Open this after I close it.
Okay. Goodbye! Seats up. It's perfect.
A little bit of a...
It's just a little bit higher
Yeah.
because of the carpet. That's fine though.
Yeah.
I realized I never ended the video and showed you guys the final product, but this is what it looks like. So to go over our measurements, this way we still did what the video reference measurement was, which was 43.5. If we could do it all over again, we would have taken off just a hair because we didn't really account for the carpet here. So it does fit, but it takes a lot of effort to put in, but we're planning on just like keeping it in here and not really taking it out. And then this way, I think the video said it was like 41 inches and we actually ended up doing 39, and I think that was a good call because as you can see there's just a little bit of room, but that's kind of what we wanted. And then for these boards, I don't know if I recorded, but we put carpet down here to make it slide in and out better. Even though we did end up sanding these 2x4s, we still wanted carpet on there. We placed them 4 inches from the top, and that was to account for the raised section. The 2x4s sit exactly where the raised section starts that we were trying to level out. And then we were going to put like some rubber on top of this because we're planning on setting stuff down here, but we actually just went ahead and spray painted this with truck bed cover spray paint, so it just like is a little bit more grippy. Probably unnecessary, but I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So our next video is going to be all about everything that we're going to be putting into here for our car camping. So I'm going to be giving a lot of recommendations on products that we bought. So make sure you guys hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video.